So let's see what the master has to say to his servants when he returns. Verse 20 says, "And he who had received the 5 talents came forward, bringing the 5 talents more, saying, 'Master, you delivered to me 5 talents. Here, I have made you 5 more talents.' His master said to him, 'Well done, good and faithful servant.'" Man, aren't those words great? Don't you like to hear affirmation from your boss after you do a good job at work? Or from your parents after doing a good job at home and your work? It is amazing to be rewarded and approved for all of the hard work and faithful work you have done. But notice, the master says something interesting. He says, "You have been faithful over a little." A little. Wait, this guy had 5 talents. He had $5 million. Why does the master say a little? But notice the second phrase. "You have been faithful over a little, so I will set you over much." See, God's got more for us than just this. Your ministry is a little. Your family is a little. Your job is a little. Your education is a little. All that we have in this world is simply a little. Not to minimize these things, remember, this is still 5 talents and $5 million. So that kind of wealth is only a little when it is weighed against something that is immeasurable. And that is the immeasurable riches that God has for us as a reward for our faithfulness in eternity. I was at a party the other day, and we were cleaning up from the main meal we had, and the lady who was serving said, oh, wait, everybody, make sure you keep your forks. Make sure you keep your forks because we're going to have dessert. And that reminded me that, hey, the good stuff is coming. The best is still yet to come. This is a picture of heaven. It reminds us that we are children of God, the God who has immeasurable riches in Christ. And we're not just God's children, but we are sons and heirs of Him. And those riches of His are coming our way. And for us as believers, the best is yet to come when we will be rewarded in heaven for our faithfulness. The master continues and says, "You have been faithful over a little, I will set you over much." And then he says this, "Enter into the joy of your master." He says, "Well done." You can almost hear the excitement and the pride in the master's voice. Our labor here on earth brings our master joy. Our faithfulness brings him joyfulness. And then notice that we're invited to enter into that joy. We are beneficiaries of the joy of our master. Faithfulness brings us joyfulness.